I feel the time's a wasted gold. So where you going for tomorrow when I see that these are lies to come? So would you even care? And I feel it, and I feel it, yeah. So where you going for tomorrow? Where you going when the mask are found? And I feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Will she smell alone? Yeah. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Plush by the Stone Temple Pilots. This is the last song from my grunge ukulele cheat. This is the foldable cheat which has a bunch of songs from the grunge era. We have Black Hole Sun, Rooster, Nutshell, Come As You Are, Alive by Pearl Jam, Plush, Smells Like Teen Spirit, all in one, printable and then foldable. You just depending how you fold it, you can see basically the same things that I'm presenting here for the songs. So it's a really good cheat to have in you, and just with the quick glance you can remember everything that is important. Go to ukulelecheats.com to get your version of this for free, and let me know in the comments below what kind of cheat should I create next. For Plush, we'll be using a low G string ukulele because it's the only way to make this song sound good, at least from my experience. So we're doing it in the original key on a low G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, of course we are starting with the legendary intro riff, right? This is the coolest thing of the whole song, and it's kind of genius if you ask me. So I'm coming a little bit closer now to show you exactly how I'm playing it. Alright, so we start with the chord of G5, right? I'm grabbing it like this. Alright. And I'm doing 2 down strums and then a muted down and then up. And we get here to the magic chord, all right? We'll call this B flat minor 6. And while holding here the pinky, I'm just sliding it to the 4th fret. Middle finger stays on the same place. And the pointing finger is reaching up here to the 3rd fret of the G string, but also it's really important to kind of mute the C string. All right, we don't need the C string. This is how it sounds. All right, so. And also one important element is that B flat minor 6 is coming a little bit earlier on the offbeat of the bar, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all right? It's coming earlier. And after the B flat minor 6, I'm doing this open G string, then with the hammer-ons, 3rd, 4th. All right, so to make the hammer-on, you just have to slam your finger on top of the string. Look, even without playing the open string, it still makes sound. Okay? All right, and after that, we grab C5. All right, again, bam, bam, chick, bam, bam, chick, to G. All right, and just the last element here on the A string, 2, 3, 4, and we repeat it. All right, so let's see slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. right, and the last time we don't do the little element on the A string. We actually add one more bar of fading out the G chord. It's not silence, it's more like fading out. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And we get to the verse. Now for the verse, we're playing the chord of G, and I'm doing down, 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 up, muted, right? When I feel to D chord, right? To F chord, to C chord. All right, and here we have E flat major 7, for which I'm barring on the 3rd fret, and the pinky is on the 5th fret of the A string. Okay? And also the E flat major 7 is a little bit longer than a bar, right? It's very quick F and starting from the beginning. So let's see how it goes. And I feel the time and ways to go. So where you going to tomorrow? When I see that these are lies to come. So would you even care? And now here we are entering the pre-chorus, right? For which, let's see what are the chords here. So this is D suspended 2, for which I'm avoiding the A string. Actually, for all 3 of the chords here, I'm avoiding the A string. So we have D suspended 2 to C, where I'm grabbing here on the 3rd fret, just in case I hit it by accident, but usually I'm trying to avoid it, and I'm playing it with an up strum, right? And the 3rd chord we have is E over B, for which basically just on the G and C string I'm putting a finger on the 4th fret and getting back to C, right? Okay, here rhythmically it's a little bit challenging, this part, but if you're a member of the Ukulele Cheats website, you get access to the interactive tabs, which allows you to play with metronome and slow down the certain section that you're working on at the moment. Try it at 50% first, just to get a sense of how the rhythm is going. Then when you're ready with that, little by little speed it up to 75 and to 100. You can find the link to this in the description. I believe that this is really the fastest way to learn challenging parts, because this is a little bit weird. It's pow, 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 ba-dum, pow, 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 ba-dum. However, you don't really need the interactive tab to learn this. It will just make it faster, easier. And I feel it. So, boom, 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 boom. And I feel it. And I feel it. Yeah. And here we go to the chorus. Where you gone for tomorrow? Which is basically just E flat major 7. Where you gone to the monkey found? To F, right? Just going between these two chords. Feel and I feel when the dog begin to smell. Would she smell alone? And we get back to the intro. Wow, this intro hits really good. I love it. Although, you know what? Maybe I should change the string of this ukulele, because it doesn't really sound that great right now. So maybe it really needs new strings. But besides that, and after the second chorus, we have this little part which I call chorus part 2, which is the extended version. We're playing the chord of G. Well, the dogs find her, to F, to C, E flat. It's not really major 7 here. I'm just barring on the 3rd fret here, avoiding the A string, and then splitting a bar with D. All right, so 3rd fret to 2nd fret here, right? When the dogs do find her, there's time, wait for tomorrow to find it, to find it, to find it. When the dogs find her, there's time, wait for tomorrow to find it, to find it, to find it. Anyway, get back to this part, right? Oh, I didn't play it right here. It's not pam pam, it's pam pam pam, ba ba da pam pam pam, ba ba bam pam pam pam, ba ba da pam pam pam. Well, that's a very powerful tune. Definitely, it's in the grunge classics, and it really deserves its place in this cheat right here. Again, go to ukulelecheats.com to get yours for free. Just print it, fold it 3 times, and you have this pretty cute thing. Actually, we have more. We have the legendary and the 60s rock and roll so far, but I'm working on a few more. So let me know in the comments below, what do you want to hear? I'm thinking something about the 80s pop, Brit pop as well, maybe disco hits, reggae hits, what else? I don't know. I have a bunch of ideas for this, and let me know which ones sounds the most interesting to you, or if you have any ideas, I'm very open for it. Anyway, that was my tutorial for Plush. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. It will be easier to learn this with the printable materials on the website, as well as the interactive tabs, so go and check it out. The links will be in the description. And again, thanks for being around. See you on the next one. Goodbye.